Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to memorize the trigonometric table. There are many methods to learn it, but we will see today one of them. So let's begin. See, here I have already written that sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. We have to see the sine values of 0 angle, 30 angle, 45, 60 and 90. Once we got the sine value of all those angles, then we can find cosine, tan and so on. So for sine angle, how can we find the values of sine? We'll see by hand method. Okay, so let's start. In this method, we have to learn the values of sine with the help of our hand. See, this is our hand. Okay, in this hand, we have to consider this is at 90 degree and this is at 0 degree. Okay, understood? This is a right angle. So it is at 90 degree, it is at 0 degree. Then this is at 30, 45 and 60. Okay, are you getting? I'll just draw the line so that you will get the exact idea. See, this is our exact figure. You can see here this is at 90 degree. It is at 90 degree. Okay, so this is at 90 degree, this is at 0 degree. This angle is 90 degree and this line shows 30 degree, this line 45 degree and this line 60 degree. Now you got the exact idea how is the figure. Okay, so now for finding the sine 0 value, we'll just take the 0 line. Okay, 0 line is on the baby finger or little finger. So this is a 0 line. In sine values, we have to consider all these value in clockwise direction, like this direction. This is a clockwise direction. Okay, so for sine 0, we'll consider this line. Okay, and in this value, we have to find how many fingers remains in clockwise direction after that line. Are you getting me? How many fingers after that line, so that we have to count that finger. Okay, so this is our 0 line in clockwise direction. How many fingers are there? There is no finger, right? So we'll just put 0 over here. There is no finger means 0 finger, right? For sine 30, what we'll do? Sine 30 line, this is sine 30 line. Okay, so sine 30 line अगर कंसिडर करते हैं तो उसके बाद how many fingers left over there? Suppose this is a sine 30 line, we'll just fold it. Okay, so how many fingers left over there? Only one finger, right? This is 30 डिग्री वाला लाइन. सो अगर ये 30 का है तो उसके बाद क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स आर देयर? ओनली वन फिंगर, राइट? सो विल जस्ट पुट 1 over here. Now sine 45. So this is the line of sine 45 degree, not sine, it is a 45 degree line for this finger, that is middle finger. So middle finger is 45 degree line. So if I fold this 45 degree angle like this, how many fingers left over here? 1 and 2. How many fingers? 2 fingers left over. So we'll put 2 over here for 45. Now sin 60 जो इंडेक्स फिंगर है वहाँ पे हमारी sin 60 की लाइन जाती है. ठीक है, फिर क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन से काउंट करना है. दिस इज आवर 60 डिग्री, दिस इज आवर 60 डिग्री. ये लाइन जो गई उसके बाद हमें क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स आर लेफ्ट ओवर हियर? 1, 2 and 3. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So what we will write? In 60 we'll write 3. Okay, now sin 90, this is our 90 degree line, right? Our thumb is our 90 degree line. So we consider if this line, then how many fingers are left over here? This is 90 degree line. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So we'll put 4 over here. You got it? once again I'll tell you, for sin 0 degree, sin 0 के लिए क्या करना है, clockwise direction में, this is our clockwise direction, right? So clockwise direction में how many fingers left over after that line, we have to count that. So 0 के बाद कितना है, एक भी नहीं है, मीन्स 0 है, ठीक है. 30, this line 30, how many fingers, one finger, we wrote 1. For sin 45, this is 45, right? This is 45. So how many finger left over here, 1 and 2, so we wrote 2 over here. For sin 60, just fold this, how many fingers are left over there, 1, 2 and 3. For sin 90, this is sin 90, how many fingers are left over there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have written 4 over here. Okay, यहाँ तक सबको समझा, ठीक है. This is hand method. It is very easiest method so that you can understand the sign values very easily. Now what we have to do, we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in our sign values. We have to just put 4 in denominator. Put 4 in denominator, right? Now take the square root of all. सबका स्क्वायर रूट लेना है, ठीक है. टेक द स्क्वायर रूट, 0/4 इज 0. 0 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या आएगा, 0. 1/4, 1 का स्क्वायर रूट आएगा 1, 4 का आएगा 2. सो वैल्यू इज 1/2. फॉर साइन 30 इट इज 1/2. साइन 45 इट इज √2/2, राइट. सो क्या आएगा √2/2, यू कैन राइट √2 upon √2 into √2, right? √2 get cancel, 1 upon √2. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, √3/2. So value is √3/2. 4/4 is 1. Root of 1 is 1. So these are the values of sine, right? Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1/2. Sin 45 is 1/√2. Sin 60 is √3/2. And sin 90 is 1. So once we get the values of sine value, then we can find cos values. Cos का values क्या आएगा, cos 0 का value आएगा cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60 and cos 90. ये कैसे आते हैं, एग्जैक्ट अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. ये जो वैल्यू है इसका रिवर्स कर देने का. 90 का 1 है, यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे √3/2, यहाँ पे 1/√2, यहाँ पे 1/2 एंड यहाँ पे 0. दीज आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ कॉस. tan का वैल्यू कैसे आएगा, tan इज इक्वल टू नथिंग बट साइन अपॉन कॉस, ठीक है. तो ये फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंगली तुम tan का वैल्यू भी निकाल सकोगे. वंस यू गॉट द साइन, कॉस एंड tan, देन रिमेनिंग कॉट, सेक, कोसेक सबका वैल्यू आ जाएगा. इंपॉर्टेंट इज व्हाट, साइन वैल्यू यू शुड नो. वंस यू गॉट द साइन वैल्यू, then you can form the complete trigonometric table. Okay, for sine value you know what is the hand method. I have already told you how you can find the values with the help of our hand. Okay, so in paper or in exam you can find the values. If you forgot, then you can find the values by this method also. This is very simple method and easy to understand. Okay, so hope you all understood the method. You can try it and please comment me in my comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.